Hambai, joto social media no, dini oro norok paimani bagai, je dini jeng press meet ma paiga, mangke thangnai jeng koek din age social media jeng joto si tongo, Manipur ni jugotona niti. Ani mungka nondita deparmaria, hingga ani yang yagra paising tongo, MLA Shopna deparma, hingga hingga sini temasa Madam tongo, Ian Doliriang. Puilano tini o tini ni press meeto sini Ian Doliriang. Jet a gotona niti, jeng je press meet kena tini asungane. Abani bisari to bo puilano koksan.
Thank you very much. The whole nation of our country, the entire Northeast, Manipur is one of the states of the 7 sisters of northeastern states. We all are aware the situation, the burning issues in the last more than 2 months. It has been happening in Manipur. We all are very much aware of that. We could never hold back ourselves. We could never remain, no longer we could remain as silent spectators because of the very heartfelt, sudden incident that took place on 4th May 2023. 3 ladies, 52 years old, 42 years old, and 21 years old. 3 ladies were brutally stripped off their clothes. They were forcibly made them to walk on the road in the midst of the mob, and they were taken to the paddy field and vehemently, very shameful to pronounce, they were raped in the paddy field in the open space. By 21 years old girl was raped when the mob in front of the police, when she raised her voice to protect her, her dad and her brother, they stood beside her to protect her. But then the dad and her brother could not save her. These 2 men, the victim, 21-year-old girl, her daddy and her brother was on the spot murdered, and she was taken to the paddy field and raped in gang. So seeing that viral video in the social media, we have decided to come forward as a human being and also as a lady. We have come forward to speak. We are seeking justice for our sisters who were being raped brutally, shamelessly in Manipur. You can see this, our honorable member of Tripura Legislative Assembly, Mrs. Sapna Deborma. She is the president of our Tripura Women's Federation, Tripura Motha Party. And she is our honorable MLA, Mrs. Nonita Debormaria. And here you can see in our back, she's also our secretary, Mrs. Sormila Deborma, our TWF, Tripura Women's Federation secretary. And you can also see in my back, Mrs. Sopna Deborma Riang. She's also the secretary of our Tripura Women's Federation. And we have got 2 ladies, our members. Today we could no longer hold back our grief that we have seen our sisters were brutally tortured, physically, sexually assaulted, raped, and their family members were murdered. We would seek justice for the women who were raped and also for the 2 men, a daddy and a son, who were murdered. And also the thousands of children who were sent away from the school because their schools were destroyed, and also the thousands of people today who are lying down on the open skies, on the ground without home, and the thousands, numbers of churches, they were burned in Manipur, and thousands of someone's husband, someone's brother, someone's daughter, someone's sister were killed. Even we could see from the social media, some women pregnant, they were, not even the newly born child also was not spared. They were burned alive in the ambulance. So seeing all this, we could not remain silent. Today we are bound to come to the social media and raise a few words for our sisters, for our brothers and sisters of Manipur. Problems will be there. In every corner of the world, in every corner of the nation, or in every corner of the state, problems may arise. If there is a problem, there is a solution. We can find out solution. The government of India can bring solution. I don't understand why the government of India, our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, is an international figure leader. But today, why he is so silent? Why the Prime Minister of India or the government of India took so long days, so long time to solve the problem of Manipur? And the BJP's motto is what? Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Beti Bachao, Beti Parao. Where is this slogan gone? Where is your team? Your words have said something, and your action behind the screen is something else. Your Beti Bachao, where is your Beti Bachao? Today, your sisters, I should not be saying, but I am bound to say, our Honorable Prime Minister, he is also a married man, but he has never become a daddy. Maybe this is also one of the reasons that he is not seeing the pain of a lady who are being tortured, who are being murdered, the children who are being homeless, they have to come out from the school. Today they are lying down in a paddy field like an animal. Maybe because he has never become a daddy. This is one of the reasons that he could not see the pain, the sufferings of the people. We strongly request that government of India should solve the problem of Manipur from both the communities. Let government invite the social leaders, the political parties, and solve out the problems. How long can you watch? Or is it an entertainment for you? My question is the Manipur issues. You have played politics between tribes and tribes in the name of status. You are playing politics in the name of religion. You are playing politics, teaming out the sex is a way or to penetrate politics in Manipur. This should not happen, and we will not tolerate. Especially we women, we cannot tolerate injustice being done to our people. We cannot tolerate this. That's why we are raising our voice. If Prime Minister of India can roam in the international of the world and bring out solutions, then why not a small state in Manipur that such issues has been burning in the last 2-3 months? Why he is watching silently? If you only say, "Bhai aur beheno, I love you all," seeing the Manipur condition, my eyes are filled with tears. My heart is filled with pain. If you only say your words, that is not enough. We want to see the action. Bring out solution. That will prove that you are a really capable and deserving Prime Minister of the country. We want to see the result. And who is the Biren Singh, Chief Minister of Manipur? And Biren Singh, Chief Minister of Manipur. Who is he? He is the Chief Minister of BJP in Manipur. Why this Chief Minister is enjoying in the last 3 months? He has taken these issues as an entertainment. He has seen the people crying. He has seen people being fled away from the houses. He has seen churches gutted down. He has seen thousands of people wounded and hospitalized. He has seen thousands of people killed. The innocent people are suffering out of schools, out of education. Children suffered. Out of food, people are dying. Out of diseases, people are dying. But why Biren Singh is showing his natak there? That means we are saying there must be some reason behind the parda. And the incident took place in 4th of May 2023. But only one single man out of the gang, only one single man so far arrested after 77 days. This shows that operation of the police procession or the government of India is so weak to arrest those criminals. That is why they took 77 days. Or is it the reason that they want to enjoy? Or is it the motive behind the tribals should be killed in Northeast? What is the motive behind? What is the motive behind? Why their operation is so slow? This is our question. Many questions arises. It is so surprisingly that after 4th May incident took place, the original video viral did not happen. It was hidden. But unfortunately, it has come out in the social media. The entire nation saw. And only one man is so far arrested after 77 days. then how is the government of India, the BJP government, going to handle the problems of the country? To arrest few men, if they take 77 days, then how are they going to function? How are they going to develop? How are they going to operate in the entire nation? This shows that government of India is really weak and incapable. Therefore, we strongly request the government of India to intervene it and bring peace, tranquility, order in Manipur state. And the remaining guys, whoever have involved in the rapists, whoever have involved in the rape, they must be arrested at the earliest. That's all what I have to say, and our Tripura Women's Federation President will state something.
Hambai media tapuk songno, jengtini or press min mak laika, tam himale Manipuro jeba be gotna angka, o gotna belai ke seleng masisa, o gotna belai ke lasi masisa, tam himale or wo Manipuro 3 mas rominai arwo jati gusti dangang laika, jati gusti nang laika. Pia basing orote bunukha, a jorawo network bondo khairi jakha, jokhon network khlogo, obo arai masto jeng obono nukha, o gotna hangkai 4 tarik May ni gotna, 3 tarik May wo jokhon bongara andolonungu student rongna akorongno tuye, 4 tarik ni May wo hangkai aro urpati laika, jokhon urpati laipru nai kaisa parao borok habika, kaisa parao nok horika, kaisa parao nok hori purunai, nok soksa purunai, kirija ginai, buri khoroktam bolong bukak hablaika, tai buma bupatongo, a jorao police rok nuguinai, borok no safety ni baginai, borok no romuitu boka, romuitu bui nai jokhon a je gathering nai rok by lama malai, borok no kasuinai, gari ni butagri oi, borok no narika, a jorao police bo borok no hand over khai marika, abo ungkana public jokhon ke bango, aro bango asomoi police rok jodi kom hangkai, phan payang gai thango, omahai gotna phan ungkana, to phano sanani musungo, police rok omahai kai yafar kabumani porebo, boroni je tomung rok no bosung aro sitai kelayo, naitai kelayo, tebo sung aro saimangka je buri rok no buri khorok tam no rom tumani, jottoni sakni ri no khengi nai borok no rikri himrika, a jagao tongo khoroksa 50 bosorni boyos khlai tini buri bukhuk, o buri bukhuk no hangka borok yakari rohoka, tai khorong ni hangka 40 bosor tai 20 bosor, borok no hangka tui parani je lama hamya je kacha lama o lama o himrika, himtutui porjonto borok no satogia jaga tangthogia jaga aro rogo borok yagrika, omohai nuguinai muktri thanglia, nuguinai mai totra lailia, belaika khakhambo omohai gotna no nugui, omo buri rok ni uporo omohai jebabe attachar khlaika, omohai ke himri mani porebo, borok taisa khetoni je kheto tlangai mai ni mai khetoni mai nara tlangai nai bono aro palkhai gonodarshan khlaika ba gang rape khlaika, ab gang rape khlai mani pore chini o je khorok noi buri bukhu borok ni boyan obono sung bujika boni boyano media ni buskango o kokno saka tini o police rok borok ni upostitite borok tongfruno omo haike himri jakha iri kri khlai jakha tai gang rape khlai jakha hini bosaka tai police rok nirop khaina borok nasik tongu hini je kok samani ang sanani musungo police proshashan police ain jotoni bagai no than ek je jagao buri rok no omo haike je buri rok no chirik diwoi buri rok no omo haike অসহায় no omo hai khai tongpro borok arbo busanani dorkar tongmani tebo sanani musung arbo je mukhyamantri hin tongnai arbo mukhyamantri bo nirab mukhyamantri bo kisu saya oboni beparo asuk bai thagya ajagao tini bibino omo hai kai rikri himri mani nuguinai khoroksa buri bukhugni bufayong amri uinai bibino banchiri nani baginai bo agogui thangpro hingkai bono je buthari sibi mani abo belai khai abo abo nindoniyo belai khai nasile masisa abo belai khai joli masisa omo haike je buthar mani omo haike je buri rokni upor অত্যাচার khlai mani tai kaisa hangka oro belai khai kuthukai wansuk jangnani kok hangkai je samoyo 4 tarik me o gotna ungo video viral mani hingkai 19 tarik जुलाइयो उंगो 19 तारीख जुलाइयो उंग मानी परेनो भारतनी मुख्यमंत्री भारतनी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ब आफ्रुसे कक सावो नरेंद्र मोदी जी ब साइमान तंगो जे मणिपुर जे अमहाय गतना गति तंगमानी मणिपुर जे अमहाय गोष्ठी कुंडल उंगुइ तंगमानी अब शुद्ध भाइरल उंगुइ नंगमासे भाइरल उंगियाव बमाहाय उंगुइ तंगखाना फियाबा मोदी जी आफ्रुसे बिनि थुमानि सिसावो आफ्रुसे बकक सावो इंगे आं अबनो सानानि मुसुंगो जे जागाव पुलिस साइमानो जे जागाव मुख्यमंत्री ब साइमानानि क मुख्यमंत्री ब साइमानो तांगै अब प्रधानमंत्री न अकरंग न जानो गया अंखना तांगै प्रधानमंत्री हिंका हिंकाबा आसु 3 मास दरिया और जे गुनगल उं तंगमानि जागाव जे आ जागाव प्रधानमंत्री वाइसापानो थांगैनाय अबनो सामाल रिया अंखना एकै आं अबसे सानानि मुसुंगो जे बिनि जरादा करि नि जे जों सुजानानै थांका हंकाय तेबो साइमानो जों खोनाव प्रधानमंत्री आ जरावो ओ 3 मासनि बिसिंगो ओ 3 मासनि जरावनो ब फ्रांस जापान नि अमेरिका रगो ब थांग बेरेखा अमहाय 8टा जागा दा कयटा जागा ओ थांग बेरेखा असुक जागा से थांगै बेराय मान हंकाय नों सालसा बुदानि जरा करिखा मणिपुर थांगैनाय नों अगतना न सामालिनानि आबनि बागैनो तिनि जदि भिडियो भाइरल नङा हंकाय प्रधानमंत्री ब अकक सागला कामु जदि भिडियो भाइरल नङा हंकाय मणिपुर अमहाय जे बुरि रक अमहाय का सातक जाक तंगमानि बुरि रक जे लासि मासिंसा खैरि खुगुइनाय अमका हिमरि माने अगतना न भारत बर्षनि बर रक नुगला खामु ताबो जत्त भारत बर्षनि बर रक नुगुइनाय अबनो बा कन्डेम खलाय तंगो अबनि प्रतिबाद जानो गुइ तंगो तेबो सानानि मुसुंगो नरेंद्र मोदी जी नो दति खलायनाय एक्शन नाहादि अब वानसुक जाकनानि कगया अब एक्शन नाहानानि ककसे तामनि हिमालय जे कालपिट और कालपिट खरकसाया और कालपिट खरंनै खरकतामिया और कालपिट नखा भिडियो फटेज स्राय के जों नुगुइ तंगो और अंखा 30-40 जन मत बरक तंगो कालपिट तंगो बरंग न चिन्हित खायै बरंग न खरकसा के सिनिबुइ रमबुइनाय बरक न अरेस्ट खलायदि दति बरंग न फांसी अर्डार मारिनाय जदि नों अरव जदि फांसी अर्डारिया बरंग न हाइन जदि फियगुइरि कांकांकाय अब शुद्ध मणिपुर बुथागलाक अब सारा भारत बर्षनि राज्यव अब सरगुइ थानाय और बिहार हिंदी उत्तर प्रदेश हिंदी और तामिलनाडु हिंदी जत जागाना सारगुइ थानाय ताम गेरेन्टी तंगा सारगुइ हिनाय जे जागाव पेन्डेमिक कोरोना भाइरास जों खानाव उरंखापो आरो अंखापो हिनाय एरपरे तिरप्रा हापायो ताबो अमहायनो उंनाय जदि अमताबो सुख जरतै थाम गया जे दुसिन शास्त्रीय हंगाय बररक तेबो उफालबारिनाय तेबो बररक सिरंनाय नुखाय मकलबाय नुखाय सागो कलायो सागो मकलबाय खुंजुमै खानागा हंकाय मकलबाय नुखाय सागो कलायपो अमहायकेनो जदि तिरप्राओ बताम ग्रेन्टी तंबा जे मणिपुर जे गतना गति तंगमानि और गतिया आबनि बागिनाय नरेंद्र मोदी जी नो अबनो कबुं मुंनारनाय जे सामानी नरेंद्र मोदी जी बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ हिनी सामानी और वो तेबो भारत माता की जय हिनी सामानी आओ भारत उनका सम्मानित तो देश भारत उनका भारत माता देश ओ भारत माता देश न बानसिरिनानि बागै बा सम्मान जनक तरिनानि बागै नाय अमहाय नंग्रामी सामुं तांनाय रंग दति खाय अरेस्ट खलाय बरंग कठोर रेपर कठोर शास्ति रइनाय बरंग अब बंगनि बरंग एकदम निनि तामनानि फांसी और कुनुताय शास्तिया फांसी रिनानि उंतन नै कबं मुंनारगो बारा कक सालिया ताम हिमालय अमहायके प्रधानमंत्री जदि अमहायके एक्शन नाहाका हंकाय बेलाय नचानाय जदि एक्शन नाया हंकाय और स्रायमं तंगै थानाय बिनि कुर्सी कमावै थानाय अब हंकाके ब्रैनि साप तंग्रंनाय aboni bagi ni kursi banci dana musung kangkai doti doti obo burini je omahaikai sonman hari tongani jagawo joto ni nog nu khongono buri tongo omahaikai nung rokha khlai de hinai nai Narendra Modi ni thani koboguino ani kok oron mathaka hambe